Over 60, drink this juice before bed to repair. Your eyes and vision during sleep. As we age, vision changes in ways we sometimes take for granted. Reading small print becomes a challenge, night driving seems trickier, and colors don't pop quite like they used to. Historically, people didn't have prescription glasses, eye drops, or laser surgeries. They relied on diet, lifestyle, and natural remedies passed down for generations. What's fascinating is that certain foods can actually help repair, protect, and even enhance the function of our eyes while we sleep. That's right, while the world is quiet and the body is resting, the eyes are still working, regenerating, and responding to nutrients delivered through what we eat and drink. Among these natural interventions, a specific type of juice stands out for its unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Before diving into the juice itself, it's important to understand the biology behind eye health. The retina, macula, and lens all contain delicate tissues that rely on proper nutrition to function optimally. Over time, oxidative stress, inflammation, and nutrient depletion can lead to common age-related eye problems like macular degeneration, cataracts, and blurry vision. Modern medicine has treatments, yes, but long before these interventions existed, humans relied on foods rich in carotenoids, flavonoids, and vitamin A precursors to support night vision, color perception, and retinal repair. The star juice combines carrots, oranges, spinach, and blueberries. Each component serves a specific role in supporting the eyes. Carrots, of course, have a historical reputation for improving vision. During World War II, British pilots were rumored to have superior night vision because they consumed large amounts of carrots. A story that was partly propaganda, partly truth. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for retinal health and the regeneration of rhodopsin, a pigment critical for low-light vision. Oranges provide vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that combats free radicals, reduces inflammation, and supports the structural integrity of blood vessels in the eyes. The retina is densely packed with capillaries, and over time, oxidative stress can weaken these delicate vessels, contributing to age-related eye conditions. Vitamin C not only strengthens these vessels, but also supports collagen formation, which is vital for the lens and cornea. Historically, sailors consumed citrus to prevent scurvy, unaware that the same nutrients were also protecting their eyes. Spinach might not be as flashy as carrots or oranges, but it contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids concentrated in the macula. These compounds act as natural sunglasses for the eyes, filtering harmful blue light, reducing oxidative stress, and protecting against age-related degeneration. Ancient dietary practices, from Mediterranean to Asian traditions, emphasized dark leafy greens for longevity and vision support. Modern studies confirm that regular intake of lutein-rich foods can slow the progression of macular degeneration and improve visual performance. Including spinach in this nightly juice allows these protective compounds to enter your system during the hours when the body is naturally repairing tissue. Blueberries add another dimension to this juice: anthocyanins. These antioxidants not only reduce inflammation, but also improve circulation to the eyes. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach the retinal tissues, supporting repair and maintenance. Historical accounts from Native American diets show that blueberries were valued for eye health, memory, and vitality. Today, research confirms that anthocyanins help protect the delicate photoreceptors in the retina and improve night vision, particularly in older adults. Combined with the vitamin A precursors from carrots and lutein from spinach, blueberries create a potent synergy that nourishes, protects, and repairs the eyes during sleep. The timing of consumption is also important. Drinking this juice before bed aligns with the body's natural repair cycles. During sleep, metabolic processes prioritize tissue regeneration, including in the eyes. nutrients consumed in the evening can reach the bloodstream and target retinal cells more efficiently, assisting in the repair of micro-damage accumulated during the day. Historically, many cultures emphasized evening consumption of nutrient-dense foods, recognizing intuitively that the body works differently at night. Modern science is now validating that timing can enhance nutrient absorption and efficacy, especially for repair processes. Beyond individual nutrients, this juice works because it addresses multiple aspects of eye health at once. Beta-carotene, vitamin C, lutein, zeaxanthin, and anthocyanins each play a complementary role. The result is improved retinal function, reduced oxidative stress, and enhanced overall eye resilience. Regular consumption may help maintain contrast sensitivity, reduce eye fatigue, and even improve color perception over time. Preparing the juice is simple, practical, and requires no specialized equipment beyond a basic blender or juicer. Fresh carrots, a peeled orange, a handful of spinach, and a small cup of blueberries are all that's needed. For added absorption of fat-soluble nutrients like lutein and beta-carotene, adding a teaspoon of olive oil or avocado is recommended. Historically, traditional diets often combined vegetables with small amounts of healthy fat to maximize nutrient absorption, a practice that modern nutrition science confirms is beneficial. Over weeks and months, individuals may notice reduced eye fatigue, improved night vision, and sharper color perception. These changes reflect both cumulative protection and ongoing repair processes supported by the nutrients in the juice. Historical accounts of long-lived individuals often emphasize diets rich in colorful fruits and vegetables. Modern science now explains why these foods were effective. They provide exactly the compounds necessary to protect and repair critical tissues like the eyes. This juice also demonstrates the power of natural synergy. Isolated nutrients can help, but when consumed together in whole foods, they interact to enhance absorption, stability, and bioavailability. Beta-carotene, vitamin C, lutein, zeaxanthin, anthocyanins, and small amounts of healthy fat create a combination that addresses multiple pathways of eye health simultaneously. Historically, traditional diets were built on variety and color for this very reason, long before scientific mechanisms were understood. In summary, this juice is more than a nightly drink. It is a historical and modern solution for supporting vision, protecting against age-related decline, and enhancing natural repair processes during sleep. Carrots, oranges, spinach, and blueberries combine to deliver essential nutrients, antioxidants, and enzymes in a way that the body can readily use while resting. Drinking it regularly provides a practical, science-backed, and historically validated approach to maintaining eye health over the long term. If this video opened your eyes, literally, to the potential of nutrition for vision, take a moment to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone over 60 who wants to maintain or improve their eyesight. And if you have your own favorite vision-supporting foods, leave them in the comments. Understanding the history, science, and practical application of nutrition is not just fascinating. It can transform the way we age, see, and experience the world.